Good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day on this earth. May we take the next 10 minutes and give ourselves a moment of internal connection that is within us. Let's begin today by taking a comfortable seated position or lying down. Close your eyes and take this opportunity to simply connect with yourself. Take a deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. Take another deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. Take another deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. Let us welcome this beautiful new day that come upon us, waking up to the feeling of being alive, grateful to be here, to be able to breathe, to feel, and to be in the presence of the sun, the moon, and the earth. Take a deep breath in with me and exhale with a sigh. Breathing in peace, breathing in calm, breathing in love, joy, passion. Feel the sensations of each breath that you take, how it supports you, how it supports your body, your life. With your exhale, open your heart to gratitude. Thank you for being here. Give yourself permission to let go deeper in this beautiful, relaxing state, feeling the sensations of your body and mind, letting go what's to come today, and simply finding an opportunity to give thanks for this breath, this moment, and this life. Take a deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. Open yourself to whatever comes. Whenever you catch your mind beginning to think of the future or the next moment, bring it back to yourself through the connection to the breath of life. Take a deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. May this day be a clean slate for your mind, for your being, for your actions, and for your thoughts. May this day bring you peace and opportunity to start anew. This moment, and in this state of true presence, let us gently introduce a morning suggestions to your mind and welcome positive and healing energy to guide us through the day to come. Repeating the suggestions in your mind or simply using it if you begin to feel your mind wandering off into thought and worry. Repeat after me. Today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. Today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. Repeat these suggestions as much as you like, or simply enjoy this moment of stillness and connection to all that you are. Today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. You can repeat these suggestions as much as you like. Now, it's time to slowly come back to our breath. Take a deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. Slowly returning to your body and bringing the suggestions you put in your mind. Take a deep breath in and let go. Feel your body, feel your love, your presence, filling you with positive suggestions to continue the rest of your day. Reminding you that no matter how your day may unfold today, these beautiful, peaceful words is here with you at all times. You simply need to find a moment to still the mind and reconnect to it whenever you need it. It's here for you, always by your side, one within you, and it's within you. Thank you so much for being here, for connecting with yourself. May you have a beautiful rest of your day.